Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Paul. Today we're taking a look at the Raycon Everyday Earbuds. You might have seen these around, as they are pretty popular and have been advertised on YouTube quite a bit. Raycon sent me these earbuds to review, and I took an honest look at them for you. Raycon makes several earbuds and headphones, and they have a lineup that starts with their Everyday line, with the option to go to the Pro model or the Fitness model in either the headphones or the earbuds. So the Everyday Earbuds are meant to be, just as described, an all-around general-purpose pair of earbuds for all use cases. So let's take a look at the Everyday Earbuds, and by the end, I'll let you know if they'll truly be my everyday earbuds. See what I did there? Taking the Everyday Earbuds out of the box is a clean unboxing experience. In the box, you get a USB-C cable, which is quite short. I appreciate that they at least include a cable, but I am sure even Raycon doesn't expect you to use this cable normally, since it really can't reach very far. Most of us have lots of USB cables around, so it's not really an issue. You also get 4 additional sets of silicone earbud tips, which are different sizes. So you have a lot of customizability to find the right fit, which I appreciate. Then you have the earbuds themselves in the charging case. I picked up the royal blue set, which looks pretty nice if I say so. I also picked up this yellow protective case, which slides over the earbuds charging case easily and adds a layer of protection and a handy carrying strap. To pair the earbuds, you just have to take them out of the case and they'll instantly be in pairing mode. Just look at your phone, tablet, or laptop to find the earbuds and pair them. You can also pair them to a second device to switch back and forth. But the process is a little finicky. First, you need to deactivate Bluetooth from the first device you have them paired to. Once you do and the earbuds disconnect, they will go into pairing mode again. There's no way that I know of to manually put the earbuds into pairing mode. This is inconvenient compared to other Bluetooth headphones that can be paired with multiple devices through manual pairing mode. But once you figure out the process and do it once, you're good to go. When I put the earbuds in my ears, they feel secure and comfortable. They feel like they are locked in, but they don't hurt my ears. I went for a run and I think the earbuds did a great job staying in my ear. I only needed to push them back in fully once or twice, a similar experience to other earbuds I've tried. The audio quality seems quite good. Although I'm not an audiophile, I can generally tell when headphones sound poor, and these do not. The Everyday Earbuds come equipped with 3 EQ presets: bass, boost, pure sound, and balanced sound, allowing users to tailor the audio to their preferences. The EQ profile I liked best depended on which type of music I was listening to. For acoustic music, I really enjoyed the balanced preset. For hip hop or EDM, I used the bass boost preset. The earbuds also come equipped with both active noise cancellation and pass-through mode, which Raycon calls awareness mode. The active noise cancellation is pretty good in my experience. I mean, I found that the passive seal created by the silicone ear tips was solid to begin with. And with ANC mode on, I couldn't hear my surroundings well, which is the point. As for the awareness mode, I felt that it could have been a bit more aware. In other words, it could pump through more outside noise, because I found that even with awareness mode turned on, I couldn't hear my outside environment as well as I would have liked. Switching between noise cancellation, awareness, and normal mode with a long press on the right earbud is quite easy. The Everyday Earbuds come equipped with the IP66 water resistance rating, which means they are meant to handle sweat and light rain. I didn't put that to the test necessarily, but I think they would definitely be ideal for workouts. I'd probably avoid taking them in the shower though. When it comes to battery life, Raycon claims that these earbuds will get up to 32 hours of continuous listening between the earbuds and recharging with the case. The earbuds themselves get 8 hours, with another 24 hours available from fast charging in the case. I haven't run the batteries out, but I've used them for music and audio playback for about 2.5 hours and never got any indication that the battery was low. I also appreciate the wireless charging on the case, which is convenient, in addition to the USB port. The Everyday Earbuds have 4 microphones on them for better sound pickup, which can sometimes be a bit of an issue with wireless earbuds in my experience. experience? Well, I found the quality to be pretty good. I tested the sound quality using voice memos on my computer. I compared the Raycon earbuds microphone to my microphone, and unsurprisingly, I found them to be better, but not by much. When playing back the voice notes from the Raycon earbuds mic, I could clearly understand the memo, with the actual quality being just a bit tinnier than the microphone playback. Again, we're talking about wireless earbuds that don't have a mic that actually points at your mouth. So that's pretty great. So if you're on a call or a video chat, the everyday earbuds should get you by when it comes to picking up your voice. Going back to the touch controls on the side of the earbud, I quite like them for their ease of use and reliability. Adjusting the volume is easy. One touch on the left earbud turns the volume down. One touch on the right earbud turns the volume up. On either earbud, you can tap twice to play or pause the audio. 3 taps on the left earbud will skip backwards in the track or to the previous track, and 3 taps on the right earbud will skip to the next track. If you hold down on the left earbud, the EQ preset changes. And if you hold down on the right earbud, it will cycle between active noise cancellation, normal, and awareness mode. In my testing, the controls were super convenient and reliable. In my opinion, the Raycon Everyday Earbuds have a lot going for them. For one thing, they have a compelling price. They normally go for $79.99 US, which is a great price point for high quality earbuds. Occasionally, you can get them on sale. Plus, they offer a 30-day happiness guarantee with free returns. So you don't have a lot to lose by giving them a try. If you want to pick up these everyday earbuds, you can go to buyraycon.com/techpaul to give them a go. As always, when I do product reviews, I only share my honest opinion. My overall opinion is that these are solid earbuds at a great price point. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them to folks who are looking for sub $100 earbuds, and they're definitely the best ones I've tried in that category. But I'm curious if you've tried the everyday earbuds out. Let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, drop them down below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and click that like button, and if you want to catch more of my tech videos, click subscribe. I post new videos regularly. See you in the next one.